Hello and welcome back to our video tutorial series on creating Facebook pages for businesses. In this video, which we're labeling video 2A, we're going to go over the different options for changing your settings. Now you'll notice at the top of the screen there's a button here that says Settings, and then if you go over here to Manage, there's also a link here that says Settings. These are two different types of settings. This is for the account, or the pages account in this case. Since it's not a personal account, you're actually setting things up for the account related information for the page, whereas this over here gets into a little bit more depth and actually goes into the settings that are going to be done on the page as opposed to the page's account information. Now to show you the difference between the two, I'm going to right click here, and then I'm going to come over here and right click, open a new tab on this one as well. You'll notice that on the top link we have General, Security, Subscribers, Apps, Payments, Facebook Ads. That's primary account information. If you come over here, things change where it becomes more in-page related, how you want things to work, how you want to have things set up for functionality, etc. As this is video 2A, we're going to go over the general, security, and other such information first. Then in video 2B, we will go into the other information. So getting started here, we're going to start with general. I want you to make sure that you have the proper primary email. If you ever want to change that, you can click Edit. Really simple. Same is true with your password or the language that you're using. The next setting is your security options. So you come through here, you can set up a security question. You can set up secure browsing, login notifications, which will be set up to your email, login approvals. Now at this point in time, you don't have anyone who has to be approval required. App passwords, you can create passwords for your apps so that people have to actually put in a password for apps. Recognized devices that you want to set up. For example, if you generally log in from a specific IP address, a lot of times you'll go to log in and it'll say, would you like to add your cell phone number? Now, I will tell you that there is an added bonus, we'll go over this later, in actually coming through and choosing your custom URL, where if you right click here, it does offer you the option for a unique URL by simply verifying your mobile phone number, but we're not going to go in depth with that right now. I just wanted you to know the importance. And then you have your active sessions, where right here it says I'm logged in from Freeland, Michigan, which is kind of odd because I'm actually in Bay City, Michigan, so I might want to edit that. Location. Okay, they're estimating the location based on my IP address. Now this one doesn't appear that we can actually edit it. I don't actually know why they wouldn't let me, but that's their approximation. And then down at the bottom you'll notice that there is an option to deactivate your account. Of course we don't want to do that. Our next setting is for subscribers. Now this one's a little tricky. It says subscribers will receive your public posts and will not be added as friends. You can have broader conversations about public topics and keep personal updates for friends. Now as we're doing this specifically from an account, we don't need to do that, but there are other options. If you've created your page from within your own personal account, you definitely want to keep your friends and your subscribers separate. You would want to check this box here. Next, we're going to go into the apps. You don't have any apps yet authorized, but they will show up here as you start adding them. Then there is payments. You have zero credit balance, show your purchase history, payment methods, preferred currency, obviously in our case because I'm in Michigan, it would be US dollars. And if you want more information, you can actually click at the bottom here where it says Facebook credits. Finally, we come to Facebook ads. Now this goes into advertising on Facebook, and our course is not at all about anything like that, so we're going to kind of just gloss over this really quick and show you that you can use this, what the settings are, what they mean. I recommend that you read all this information. However, again, this tutorial is not about how to advertise on Facebook, but more about how to create the original page that will allow you the opportunity to advertise later on. So we're not going to go into great detail on this one. We are going to bring this video though to a close, and in the next video we will go into the other settings.